me, what was the first memory आपके पास क्या है जब आपने वसीम को वकार को देखा था? What is your first memory and your first impression?
मैंने कहा मैं सोचा शायद पूछने लगा कोई फिटनेस का प्लान मेरे लिए भी है।
My first memory was because I started in 81.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and my first series in Pakistan was at the age of 19.
Wow.
83?
82.
82, 83, yeah.
And my first 100 was against Pakistan.
Right.
So
In Pakistan?
In Pakistan at Karachi. And my education into Punjabi was in Pakistan. You know that big Sarfraz Nawaz to are baap re. I learned so much. The right words in Punjabi from him.
I know which one you're talking about.
Puche mat. Then you played. Next year you went to the West Indies.
Yeah.
फिर मिल गए सब 6 फुट 5, 6 फुट 4, you know, the best attack in the world. And then almost every team had. So, you know, you had झेला out a lot of pace. और वो टाइम पे कोई bouncers पे restriction नहीं था. 6 का 6
bouncer.
till 85, 86. फिर आ गए 87, फिर गया वेस्ट इंडीज, फिर आ गए उधर पाकिस्तान में. फिर ये दो आ गए. बोला भाई यार 8 साल के बाद फिर झेलना है. ऐसे वो पहले वाले तो एटलीस्ट टकले पे मारते थे, नारियल पे.
नारियल पे.
ये आगे जूते तोड़ने और ये भी साथ में. तो मतलब you know the range was इधर आ रहा है कि इधर आ रहा है. And but great era. I mean I'm so glad that I played all these great fast bowlers because you know then that gives you more job satisfaction.
Yeah.
Then in an era where you know you missed out, didn't play, and you know sometimes you say I wish I'd played that bowler.
Yeah.
Shazzy, do you remember Bangalore Test 1987? There was a rest day.
Yeah, I know you guys threw me into the bloody pool.
Shazzy was being a cool, तो छोटे थे. Shazzy was a big superstar. You know, वो 85 में champion of the champions, वो ऑडी गाड़ी भी मिली. तो वो रेस्ट डे होते थे तब. अब मुझे नहीं था पता. होली तो हमने फिल्मों में देखी हुई थी. तो वो होली का दिन था तो सारे एक दूसरे पे रंग फेंक रहे. बाद में मुझे पता लगा कि एक कच्चा रंग होता है, एक पक्का रंग होता है. वो सर से 2 महीने रंग ही नहीं गया. जब नहाओ पूरा नीले आए. और शायद
वो पूल का टाइल्स वो पूरा चेंज करना पड़ा. बाद में शायद वहाँ रिलैक्स हो गए ना. मैगजीन पढ़ा था. अब सारे इंडियन पाकिस्तानी मनंदर भी था. सब यंग लड़के एक्साइटेड इजाज एंड ऑल दीज गाइज. इसको उठा के पूल में डाल दिया. और इमरान भाई कमरे से निकल रहे. और सनी भाई ने जाके किसी को कहा होटल की लड़कियों के दरवाजा नॉक करो, रूम सर्विस है. वो दरवाजा खोला तो उसको खींच के बाहर लाके उस पर रंग फेंका था. ये those were the days. I still remember वो गुलाल जो कलर है वो ये ऑयल पेंट जैसा था. तो इमरान पे ऐसा लगा यार don't put this color on. I said you know this is serious makeup.
Yes, great memories, right? The great memories that you gave to all the viewers around the world of playing that time. But coming back to Sarfraz Nawaz and Punjabi that was, you know, bestowed upon you, what were your favorite words?
You can't say it on television.
I can't. But you know those are the nouns and pronouns of the Punjabi language.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
वो sentence शुरू होता है उससे.
Did you
You know, ऐसे लाहौर जाओ या किसको या किसके साथ, you know,
the sentence start from
something happens, you know, you have a pow with someone, sentence starts with and that was the first word you learned.
You would learn absolutely.
81 में सीख लिया.
Did you ever have a showdown with him in the middle of a game? Any staring contest with Wasim?
You don't have to look them in the eye only. क्यों तंग करना? As it is, there's enough headache.
Okay.
You know, yes. I'll tell you, with these guys, when the ball is swinging so much, you know, you have to be very careful because people think it's only your toes and your heads. Go to watch your nuts also. You know, if you're playing here, if it swings late and you miss it, ouch. And then, you know, everyone goes down, you're gasping for breath. Oh, it's good. And it's not funny because everyone else is laughing.
Yeah, that's what I want to
Everyone
ask
on television is laughing. Commentators are laughing. Well, you're the only guy.
सांस आना बंद हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
I mean, I'm very curious.
उधर यो काम आता है.
I remember Wasim bhai, you hit Roshan Manama
Twice.
at birth.
उसके बहुत लगती थी.
2 बॉलें.
नहीं उसके बहुत लगती थी.
पहले लगी है और वो लेट आ रहा को 10 मिनट गेम बंद रही है. उसके पैर ऐसे वो दबा रहे हैं, कभी कुछ कर रहे हैं. There is no other help you can get.
ये तो कोयबा हो गया भाई.
कर करा के बेचारा खड़ा हुआ है. वेरी नेक्स्ट बॉल, ये नहीं कि कोई 2-4 गेंदें वेट ही कर लेता. वेरी नेक्स्ट बॉल अभी ऐसे ही गया बेचारा तक They had to carry him actually.
No, but he came back and won the game. He was such a gutsy player, Rashad Mahanama.
भाई तरस नहीं आता सिर्फ बार-बार।
नहीं, एज अ बॉलर कभी तरस नहीं आया. एज अ बॉलर हमारी जॉब थी कि बैट्समैन को बैकफुट पर हिलाए.
him in that 89 tour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये तो आया था debut series. Full tour. He would limp suddenly. हाँ तो पूरा ड्रेसिंग रूम अब गया अब गया ये इंजर हो गया इसका गया ग्रोइन गया पूरा सीरीज खेल लिया एंड तक बाउंसर
Was he doing that deliberately?
No, सिद्धू ने बस बताया मुझे कि हम ड्रेसिंग रूम से देख रहे होते थे कि तू लंगड़ा रहा है गया जी अब गया
But what was going on?
स्टिफ ग्रॉइन हो जाता था तो उसके
okay,
लिए फिर शाम को रेस्ट करते थे सुबह तक आ जाते थे दो
ये वही वाला जो बस नहीं उतरते
हाँ, वो जो बस जो engine करके उतरता है.
Yeah.
So Waqar has his own yo-yo test for everybody. So when the teams arrive, we have these arrival shots that come in and they're coming out of the bus, right? He says you can actually tell जो बस से उतर रहा होता है उसकी चाल से पता चल जाता है कि उसकी फिटनेस की क्या है.
वो तीन चार जो सीढ़ियां जब उतरते हैं ना तो रात का मंजर बता देते हैं.
All right, folks. We do have a semi-final, by the way. I wish this conversation could go on like this because there's so many memories that the people would like to hear from all of you. Chetu Baji, you want to
We
say?
had an entire tournament, don't worry.
We did. But let's get back to it now. Talking about the New Zealand, South African batting lineup, हम लोग उसकी batting के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Van der Dusen has been absolutely special for South Africa now for quite some time. How does, when you have somebody like Markram also getting fit in time, and then you have Van der Dusen there and all everything, and you have Klaasen there, and you have Killer the Miller there, तो दूसरे क्या करें फिर?
No, it's a very dangerous side. You know, it's a very dangerous side. Lekin if they can play freely, not thinking it's a knockout game, it's easier said than done.
Yeah.
But if they can go with an attitude as if this was another league game, league phase, then they become a very dangerous team. But the moment they realize it's a semi-final and they want to play differently, that gives the opposition the best chance. So, you know, the way you would plan it, you would tell at least 2 out of those 4 players, come what may, you go.
Yeah.
You know, so whether it's Miller and Klaasen, you know, whether it's Markram or Klaasen, you go in there, 4-5 balls, you get on with it. You know, even if you're out, the other 2 will take care.
Right.
You know, but you have to let 2 guys go.
Yeah.
And not all 4.
shell में ना चले जाएं.
Shell में नहीं चले जाएं. बाकी 4.
Jetu, who do you think, I mean, just Ravi ने कहा, but does this South African batting revolve around Klaasen at this particular time?
I don't think it revolves around him. He's probably the energy source to that innings, you know, who, you know, drives it at another pace. Somebody who holds the inning, what we've seen in this is Reckleton was one when in the first inning. Van der Dusen when he came into the next game. I think those 2 guys probably play that role where you play around him. Because, you know, Klaasen is a class act. He's not one who's going to, you know, hold the innings together.
Yeah, but look at that
strike rate. That
rate.
tells you all. I mean, when he gets runs, that's the strike rate that he gets runs with. And he makes the game so easy. I mean, and especially on the track that we are playing, he will be an important man. You need both, I think. Like Ravi has said, you know, you have a couple of guys who go for it.
Yeah.
But you need somebody because it's a 50-over game. Don't forget, it's not a 20-over game. So you will need those guys at the top to, you know, hold that innings together in a, you know, not at a different pace. But so Klaasen is the one who probably gives you the impetus, but not the one who holds that innings